I was lost, now I'm found. I'm sustained by the sound of the angels singing me to sleep while my feet are leaving the ground. Am I dead or am I dreaming instead? A cornucopia of opiates are flooding my head.
I'm insane, I am smart. All it takes is a spark to ignite my bad intentions and do what I do best to your heart. Don't be fooled, I was raised by the wolves. Now the moon hates the fools, so you know I won't play by the rules. Spill my blood for you. One too many times. Some way, somehow we've fallen out. Caught in between my enemies. No way, not now, I won't back down. I draw the line in you and me. You're what I started, now disregarded. One day they'll see it was always me. Due to mistakes I have made to the state, I am trapped inside a Dillinger, diligently thinking of ways to get out of this god-awful place. I have learned that my fate is something I can't escape, so sound the alarm. Let's head for the stars. Don't ever let your system break me down, tear me apart. Tell me proud I was raised by the world. Now the moon makes it fall, so you know I won't leave it alone. Spill my blood for you. One too many times. Some way, somehow we've fallen out. Caught in between my enemies. No way, not now, I won't back down. I draw the line in you and me. You're what I started, now disregarded. One day they'll see it was always me. This is the end of you. This is where I draw the line.